Not going like a hole. Is there a better pop than cream soda?
Pop?
Yeah.
No.
No.
I don't know. Nice crispy Sprite could be.
Oh, you know what? I miss hot Sprite. I haven't drank Sprite since I was like a kid. It's good that you say that.
Sprite's good, especially like Jolly Sprite.
Oh, you know what I want to do? Do you ever see that Sprite challenge? They drink a bottle of Sprite and try to burp.
Oh yeah.
Hi.
Yeah, she's in bed now. She's already asleep.
Well, it still happened though, right?
Yeah. I just the whole point. I just wanted you guys to come over and talk to her. I mean, I just want her to realize what this was. I mean, in reality, there's not much you guys probably can do about it, is there?
I mean, she could probably get charged with child porn.
Who, she can?
Mm-hmm.
She's 11 years old.
She's creating it, right?
She's 11 years old.
It doesn't matter. She's still making porn.
No, she's not. She's being manipulated by a grown-ass adult on the
Is she
internet.
taking pictures now?
You guys have a nice evening.
Okay.
Thank you for coming. Are you serious? Have a nice evening.